Hi everybody, this is Krithikh here. Today I'm going to show you how to make an egg, which is a hard-boiled egg, go into a wide-nosed bottle like this. It seems impossible, but it's possible with science. So what you need is a lighter, pieces of paper, a wide-nosed bottle, which looks like this, an egg, and a little cup of water. So how the egg goes inside the bottle is the paper, which is burning, will be dropped into the bottle, which makes the air pressure inside the bottle decrease. So the air pressure inside rushes out, and the egg vibrates, and the air pressure outside pushes the egg down, which causes it to fall inside the bottle. So now I'm going to show you that. What I have to do first is I have to wet the nose of this bottle, and just a minute, I just have to take that out. There. And there. So now, Dad, the lighter, please. Okay. Now look at this. It's slowly going in, and it went in. But it split a bit. It's not really a problem because it's yummy. That's how I put it. I'm going to eat it. It tastes really good. So that might be the end of the video, but it's not yet. So how you take it out if you want to is you just have to reverse the experiment. So you just have to put the bottle to your lips, blow really hard, and the egg will come out. But don't push it too hard with your lips, or don't blow too hard too, because then the egg might pop into your mouth and you'll have a mouth full of charred paper. So that's the end of this video. Bye!